Hi Ashish, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, I'm feeling good.
Great. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Ashish Dhake with us today. He has recently undergone multi-track training program here at iMedita and got placed as a network engineer with Groove Technologies here in Pune. So hi Ashish, first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher with one of the good company here in Pune, Maharashtra. So how it feels like?
Sir, it feels great. And sir, I want to thank you. Because of you, I was able to get the job.
Okay, it's all your hard work, it's all your dedication. You're giving credit to us, but it actually is your hard work and your dedication. So I would like to know a quick introduction about yourself so that viewers who are watching this video get to know about who is Ashish, what he has done in education. So a quick introduction about yourself, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Ashish Dhake. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I have done my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. So during my BTech, I was deeply interested in cybersecurity and networking domain. So I wanted to learn more about these topics. I enrolled in iMedita for my cybersecurity course.
Okay, and you have done CCNA, CCNP, and network security modules you have completed, right? Or you have completed your entire training program as well?
Uh, no, sir. My firewall is remaining. Palo Alto firewall and network security is remaining. I have done CCNA, CCNP, CEH, and Linux, and I also attended PD sessions.
Okay, great. So how was your overall experience till now for whatever modules you have completed here?
So it was great. It was smooth for me, and the trainers were very really supportive and are very knowledgeable in their domain. So whenever I used to have doubt, I used to go to trainer and they solve the queries and were very supportive in means very supportive. So
Okay. So on a general basis, how much time you were spending here in classes, lab, self-study, and what kind of approach you took to build your skills, to build your knowledge and skill set as well?
sir, I used to study for 6 to 7 hours, and it consists of 2 hours of my training class and 4 hours of labs and my self study and reading handouts, notes, and applying my theory knowledge to practical in practical scenarios.
Okay, so somewhere you were spending 5, 6 hours on daily basis, right?
Yes, sir.
And you took classes from which all instructors, CCNA from which trainer, CCNP from which trainer?
Sir, I took a CCNA from Sudhanshu sir, CCNP from Vikas sir, CEH and Linux from Yuvraj sir, and PD sessions from Shweta ma'am.
So because you were involved in multiple trainers and instructors classes, how was your experience with all these four instructors?
Sir, it was great. Means they used to teach us very complex topics into very simple way, so that we can understand it very nicely. And PD sessions also helped me a lot because my English communication was not that good, but while doing the PD sessions, my English communication means improved a lot, and that's why I'm able to crack the interviews.
Okay, so how many interviews you have given prior to this interview?
So I have given 3 interviews prior to this interview.
Okay, so this was your third and fourth interview,
Yes.
right? Great. And in terms of following study material, following labs, what was your approach in terms of following the notes, videos, how you approached your learning here?
So first of all, I used to watch the classes. I used to attend the offline classes. Then I used to learn the concepts. First, I used to learn the basics, like basic concepts, theory knowledge, and then I used to apply in practical tools, in practical scenarios, so that I was able to understand what was the like how the networking and how cybersecurity works. So I used to learn theory first, and then I try to implement in real life practical tools.
What kind of softwares and hardwares you have used here? You utilized real devices, virtual devices, and all softwares for your learning practicals?
Yes, sir. I have used the real devices, router and switches, and also I used to practice in Cisco Packet Tracer and EVNG software.
Okay. Okay. So you have utilized physical router switches, Cisco
Yes,
packet tracer during your senior CNP classes, and EVNG during your CCNP and CH classes,
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay. I am sure before you enrolled here at iMedita, there must be certain expectations in your mind, okay, that this is what I am going to learn this is what I expect during the course, and this is what I expect in terms of results once I'm about to finish my course. So today, when you have completed almost your 80% of the course and also got an opportunity, you have already joined there. I would like to know, were we able to met those expectations which Ashish was having prior enrolling here with iMedita?
Yes, sir, 100%. All my expectations were fulfilled, and I am very happy for joining this iMedita Institute.
Okay. So how confident you are feeling now? Okay. In terms of what I mean to ask you, compare Ashish before starting CCNA, before enrollment here, and Ashish, which is now. Okay. So what differences you are feeling in terms of overall knowledge, overall development, in terms of overall readiness for the interviews? What kind of differences you are feeling now and before enrolling with these courses?
Sir, earlier I was not very confident with my networking knowledge and my like personality, like English communication. But I enrolled in iMedita, and I learned the concept very easily because there are many complex topics in the networking domain. So the trainers are very supportive and very knowledgeable that they turn that complex topic into very simple topics. So, and also my communication classes also helped me a lot because I was not that confident speaking in English like in interviews. So that during my PD session I was very confident, so that I was feeling very confident, and I attended classes, all PD sessions. And after I completed the PD session, I was very confident with my English speaking, and that this both perspective helped me a lot to crack my interviews.
Okay, good. And how you got to know about iMedita? This is the first time you are enrolling here. How you got to know about us?
Sir, so my friend Mayank suggested me this iMedita. So I search all over Pune that which institute is best for networking domain and total personality development. And I think, and at that time also I believe that this is the best institute in the Pune for my networking and personality development classes. So that's why I chose iMedita.
So were we able to fulfill and stand as per those expectations?
Yes, sir, 100%. I was very means not confident, underconfident, while I was not that confident in my studies and personality development. But after during this my training, I am feeling very confident now.
Okay. How you prepared for the interviews? Did you follow any specific approach or the material which was provided to you that was sufficient for your interview preparation?
Yes, sir. The material that was provided was sufficient for my interview, and PD sessions also helped a lot in my interviews.
Okay. And you also attended technical interview preparation classes by Mr. Baldev?
Yes, sir. I have attended technical interview sessions by Baldev, sir.
Okay.
And it also helped me a lot. It like I was not able to convey the networking knowledge to someone, but while attended Baldev sir training, I was able to talk in the interview in technical terms. I was not that good in explaining the technical terms or technical, but during this interview preparation by Baldev sir, I was very confident in speaking networking and explaining networking concepts.
Okay. Now, because you have got placed and you have already given multiple couple of interviews, what message would you give to participants who are now in the interview stage? They have not got offers or they have not got selected with other company. What message do you wish to give them?
Sir, my message is that they should focus on basics first. If their basics is not clear, they will not able to understand the heavier complex topics. So my suggestion is that first learn the basics and apply that theory knowledge into real life practical tools. That is the way you will understand the networking concepts. And also attend the PD sessions. It will help you a lot while giving the interviews, and you will be very confident in giving interviews.
Right. And based on your training experience here at iMedita, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
The 10 of 10,
Okay.
100%, 10 of 10.
And do you have any message for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
Sir, the whole process, whole training went very smoothly. So no complaints at all, and everything went very smoothly for me.
Great. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Being fresher, this being your first job, company do expect a lot of initiatives from your end. Okay, give your best. Try to contribute as much as you can for your company, for your organization, for your teams as well. Keep learning, keep upskilling yourself. Whatever modules you have not still completed here at iMedita in your program, do complete them whenever you have time so that you are able to gain more knowledge and more skill set. Okay, and keep
Sure,
upgrading yourself in future as well. Stay in touch, and thank you once again, Ashish.
sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.